few years ago, I was actually driving home. One of the hardest nights I had. And you were on Total Access.
With Wally?
Yeah.
Oh, God help me.
I hadn't anything on. I turned the radio on. And I hadn't heard you yet.
Yeah.
And there, when you were playing the song, it speaks exactly what that was. There's been countless nights since then that's helped me through.
Wow. That is cool, man. Thank you for telling me about that. See, this is more for me than it is for y'all. You just don't realize that. Like, because I love hearing stories like that. Especially thinking about the goofy way that song was born. You know what I mean? There was a woman a few nights ago that told me that her husband, they're having a big family reunion over the summer. And her husband was a Christian music fan, but nobody else in the family really was, you know. But he loved listening to Christian music, and he loved "The Light in Me," my new song, and he made his whole family sit down and listen to that song. They were all like, "Why aren't we listening to this song?" He was like, "He's talking about the Holy Spirit. He's talking about the Holy Spirit that's in you, and it changes you, and it's the light, you know." And she said, and 2 days later, he died. He died of a brain aneurysm. And they didn't know. They didn't know that he wasn't sick. There was no indication. He was happy. He was healthy. And he loved that song. And so they were coming to the concert to see me play that song live, because that, you know, that just to honor him, you know. I mean, I was so humbled by that, y'all. I mean, if you knew how dark my heart was, you would have kept your money tonight and you would not have come here. If you knew how dark my heart was, and if I knew how dark your heart was, I wouldn't be sitting this close to you. All right? That's the reality. So we can just come as broken, as ugly, as imperfect as we are, and God still delights in us, and He still says we're lovely. He still says we're perfect. And He puts a light in us, and that is why you came tonight. It was not because of me or even Britt Nicole. It was because of the light that you saw in us. And it is an honor and like also confusing at the same time to do that. I'm like, why did you choose me to do this? You know? I have to sing that song for you now, "The Light in Me." I'll sing a little bit of it for you, and then we'll take a few more requests. My life before you, I was a flame burning down. I was burning out. But you knew me better. For you there was never a doubt. Not since you gave me life, something was different. I knew at the instant that you put the light in me. The spark, the shot to the heart. You are the hope that leads me out of the dark. You let your love shine down